Where we at, Mike?
We're at Black Mountain in a pavilion, eating, drinking beer, and enjoying ourselves.
And getting out of what?
Yeah. Make sure you hold it that way before you see that skin canopy go flying through.
Yeah, getting out of a storm. It's getting pretty bad. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's getting pretty bad. Everybody's hunkered down. I don't know if you can see it on film, but it's coming down. So, my battery's gonna die soon. Woo! We're gonna stay here for a little while and hopefully commence back to filming. Yep, we're still here and it's getting worse.
But we got our bellies full, and that one counts. We got plenty of beer, so
we're gonna wait it out.
It'll pass and we'll travel on.
They say it looks like it's gonna be about an hour of this, so at least we're under a pavilion. And multicolor lights. Fun. All right, let me pause this right here for a second. Just for a quick reminder of an upcoming event that Chris Harvey from KRX Mafia on Facebook and Mike Case from 336 Off-Road on YouTube are putting on in dedication to Chris Harvey's father, Miley Harvey. They asked us, Sketch Nation Side by Side, to be a part of it and kind of help out. And there's a few other YouTubers that are supposed to be there on site also. But the ride is on October 6th, 7th, and 8th. It's going to be held at Tackett Creek in Tennessee. And the main ride will be held on October 7th with everyone meeting at Red's General Store in Duff, Tennessee at 9 a.m. that Saturday. This event is held for a great cause, which will have raffles, prizes, live bands, and a lot more. And all the donations will go to 2 families struggling with this disease and also to Make-A-Wish Foundation. So if any of you can make this ride, you know, to help support this event would be awesome. Put this ride on your calendar because, you know, not only is it a great cause to support, but it'll be a lot of fun and with great people. With that being said, I'd like to give a shout out to Black Mountain Adventure and Off-Road Park in Harlan, Kentucky for allowing us to put a stack of flyers for this cause in their office for people to grab. They also taped it on the back of their door so people wouldn't miss seeing it. They also gave us a donation to be raffled off, and for another park to support an event held at a different park than their own. Goes to show you how great this off-road community is. You know, so let's give a big shout out to Black Mountain Adventure Off-Road Park. Make sure if you haven't been there, you know, put them on your bucket list. You really won't regret it. It's a great park and a big park. Also, while you're there, you know, in the office, pick up a flyer and for this awesome event in October. Well, now back to the video. different action, I guess. I just broke my mirror again!
I seen that shit. Did anybody get it off there?
No, because I expect him to come down that one.
Hey bud, you can't park there.
Yeah, you can't park there.
No shit. It should though. It usually does. Hold on, we got one coming. I knew when he started down that one, and I was like, he's going down the wrong one.
Didn't Levi just come down there?
One of our lights is out, ain't it? Watch. Yeah, one of the lights is out now. I think one of our fangs is out now.
What?
I think one of the fangs is out.
Oh, yeah, no, it has been all day. Yeah.
Oh, has it? Oh. I'm telling you, you can't take him nowhere. He's always wanting to take a damn nap. There goes.
If he does, I will kiss him right on the butt cheek. If he does, I will kiss him right on the butt cheek. If he does, I will kiss him right on the butt cheek.
I wonder which one he's coming up though. Is he?
This is the one I flipped on. I went right over that hump right there. God, this is...
He's kissing my ass.
Don't, Brian, stop.
You need to back all the way back down.
Keeps going over.
Yeah, you can't help it.
That was dry.
Systems.
Yeah.
Systems.
Yep.
Brian and his Pro R trying to get up rail bed. It's nasty. We're not coming up this way, Brian. Brian, get off on this one. Go ahead. That didn't sound good. That did not sound good. He's spinning, everything's spinning.
You can't see what
He at least made it.
My ass in Australia.
Okay.
Did he really?
Okay, that's fucked up.
you got a little unicorn back there, do you?